In this video, we cover the time value of money. A dollar received today is worth more than a dollar received tomorrow, or for that matter, any time in the future. In today's economy, the use of another person's assets comes at a price. For example, if you use another person's apartment, you pay a monthly fee called rent. Or if you rent a boat for the afternoon, you normally pay an hourly fee. Money, which of course is also an asset, has its own price. If you use someone else's money, like borrow from a bank, you pay a fee called interest until you return the borrowed funds. And it is this element of interest that creates the time value of money. Let's begin by assuming that you deposit $100 in a bank that pays an annual interest rate of 8%. That is, you loan the money to the bank, and it pays you interest until you withdraw the money. If you leave the money in the bank for a year, it would grow to $108. $100 times 1.08. Or $100 times 1 plus the interest rate, which in this case is 8%. If you leave it in for a second year, the $108 would grow to $117. $108 times 1.08. That is, the $8 of interest earned in the first year earns interest in the second year. This process is called compounding, leading to what is called a compound interest rate. Interest is earned on the interest. Leaving the money in the bank for a third year would have it grow to $126. $117 times 1.08. The $17 of interest earned up to the end of year 2 earns interest during year 3, and the compounding continues. Compound interest, a fundamental part of valuation. The valuation of assets, the valuation of liabilities, and the valuation of the firm as a total entity. These notions of value are all based on the idea of present value, which is firmly founded on the notion of compound interest. This course only consists of one video, a 30-minute investment in understanding not only compound interest, but the ideas of future value, the idea of present value, internal rates of return, cost of capital. All of these ideas are critical to understanding how decisions are made in the real world by real-life decision makers. Courses 5, 6, and 7 of this series assume that you will understand the notion of present value.